Myself, Assistant Professor Hina Gangrekar from Department of Computer Engineering, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere. Previously, I uploaded one video where I describe what is software and hardware, the difference between hardware and software, some applications of a software where it is used previously and now where it is used, some legacy of a software, that is how we can improve the quality of a software. Now, in this lecture, we are going to learn about characterization of a software. You can take any software and you can list the characterization of your software. Here I take web app as my application software, and I'm going to characterize the web app in different things, such as the first one is I am the first characteristics of a web app. If I take Google Chrome as my web app, then first one is network intensiveness. A web app resides on a network and must serve the needs of a diverse community of clients. That is, once you develop your web app, it should need to meet the community of a clients. Next one is a concurrency, that is, a large number of users may access the web app at a one time. Now, what is your first criteria for your software, or first characteristic of a software is, once your software is created, it should need to meet the needs of your clients. That is, the clients can access information, client can fire the query, client can take the result can be of any format. Concurrency, that is, if large number of people or large number of clients open your web browser at the same time, then same service should need to be provided to all the currently clients who are using your web browser. Unpredictable load, that is, the number of users of the web app may vary by orders of magnitude from day to day. That is, number of users are increasing from day to day. So your web app or your web browser should need to fulfill all the requirements of your users. Next one is a performance. If a web app user must wait too long for access, for server side processing, for client side formatting and display, he or she may decide to go elsewhere. That is, if as day by day number of users are increasing, as we know that the performance is a big issue. That is, once the user write its query, then what is its expectations? If the net connection is fast, the expectation is your browser should need to provide exact needed output for your user enter query. So this is the performance, that is n number of users fire, that is n number of users write down introduction to software engineering. So at the same time, the result should need to provide it to n number of the users so that you can achieve the performance. Next one is availability. Although expectation of 100% availability is unreasonable, users of popular web apps often demand access on a 24/7 by 365 basis. That is, whatever web app you created, whatever web browser you created, if you provide it to the user can search it at any time of a day or night. What is the user expectation? User expectation is your browser should need to be available 24/7 by 365 days, and user expectations are only to log in that only to use your web browser, fire the query, and it should need desired result. Now, next one is data driver. The primary function of many web app is to use hypermedia to present text, graphics, audio, and video content to the end user. That is, your web app should need to be data driven. Now, that is, web browser should need to be a data driven. That is, whatever format of a data is, once if user write down display the GIF of any festival, then the GIF should need to be displayed on your web browser. So whenever day to day the changes are happen in the format of a file, your web browser should need to be suitable to display that format on their web page. Now, next one is content sensitive. That is, the quality and Aesthetics, nature of content remains an important determinant of the quality of a web app. That is content sensitive. Whatever, if you write introduction to software engineering, then that should then your resultant page should need to be introduction to software engineering, not elsewhere that. So that is your content, whatever you are given as an output, it should need to be sensitive. Continuous evolution, unlike conventional application software that evolves over a series of plain chronological space release, web application evolve continuously. That is evaluation, as we know that whenever the series of plan chronology spaced releases, web application evolves it continuously. Immediacy, all the immediacy, the compelling need to get software to market quickly is a characteristics of many application domain. Web apps often exhibit a time to market that can be a matter or a few days or a week. Next one is the security. Because web apps are available via network access, it is difficult, if not impossible, to limit the population of end users who may access the application. So it is day by day the number of users are increasing. For security purposes, you can deny some services for your client so that you can achieve the security. Aesthetics are an undeniable part of the appeal of a web app is its look and feel. So this is overall the characteristics of web apps. Here I select the web browser. Now you can select any one software as your input, and you can elaborate its characterization. So this is the overall characterization of a web apps. Thank you.